Hey y'all! Today I'll be showing you how I transform some of my older decor pieces to give them a fresh new look with stuff I already had lying around the house. I've had these elephant pieces in my home for years now, and it's time to bring them new life, so I thought it'd be really pretty to add a headdress to them. I started by setting my hot glue gun on a low temp setting so I don't damage any of the pieces I'll place within the headdress. I have some leftover craft pieces here from other projects that I'm going to add in later for some sparkle. But for now, I'm just going to trim them to size. I'm inspired by all things nature and fantasy, so that's what I'll be incorporating into this project today. First, I added bright green moss. This is really going to add that earthy, natural look that I'm going for. When you're using hot glue to add pieces like this, you don't need a lot, just a very small dab will do. Next, I created a crown out of this pretty braided jute string with a leaf trim that I found at Hobby Lobby to place around the moss to create the base of our headdress. Now I'll go ahead and fill the gaps within the crown with this purple colored moss. I love this color. It's really going to make the end result very vibrant. Now it's time to add in those gold pieces. Lastly, I repeated all the same steps for my smaller elephant here. This one's very special to me because my mother-in-law brought it back from Thailand for me when she was visiting her family years ago, so it's very near and dear to my heart. I really enjoy quick and simple projects like this one to bring new life into older decor pieces. It's a great way to spend your time and save money. What do you guys think of the finished product? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like this DIY idea and want to see more ideas, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. My platform is continuously growing right now, and your support is extremely appreciated by me. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye-bye!